When we learn to appreciate visual art and enjoy it, we can connect better with ourselves and our society. Appreciation of art is something many of us run away from, thinking it's not their cup of tea or it's just too difficult to understand. Well, let me assure you, it's not. It's actually just the way we should look at the artwork and try and observe it in order to enjoy it. We can start with observing the basic elements of drawing and painting. They are line, form, texture, space, color, also the composition, the shade and the light. One can definitely start with observing this in an artwork. When I say color, it means color scheme, and the shade and light meaning values of those colors. Now these are the technical things in an artwork, beyond which comes the subject and then the expression. Expression of every artist is different, just like it differs from every individual to individual. Every artwork has its own mood. The lines, forms, and colors and their tones establish that. It resonates with each one of us in a different way. That's why different people like different paintings. It's very subjective. Some line work in an artwork is very powerful, some soft, and some too messy. It all comes from the artist's mood, thoughts, and the nature of the artist. Some paintings are very realistic and some totally abstract. Abstract is nothing but an impression of something the artist has experienced, but it is put up on canvas by eliminating the extra details so that it's just the essence that's left. You'll not see any detailing of realistic forms there. Also, the beauty of abstract is that it is left to the imagination and perception of the viewer. It's not necessary we see exactly what the artist wants to show, and that's perfectly okay. Also, nothing is original in art. Everything comes from something or somewhere the artist has experienced or seen. To understand a painting, it's important we see more paintings of the same artist. That way, we understand their journey and then we can relate with the artwork better. Just seeing one painting at a time doesn't always help, especially if it's an abstraction. Comparatively, realistic paintings are easier to understand for obvious reasons. There we can actually see how the drawing is done and how it is colored. Sometimes the artist distorts the forms by using his freedom of expression. For example, if you see the figures in Picasso's work, you'll observe that. So yes, the more you see, the more you start understanding this visual art.